Your work deserves to last, which means you need to use a quality thread when sewing your projects. Bound is our premium bonded polyester thread made for marine and outdoor sewing. It may be small, but it's packed with features. In this video, I'll cover what makes bonded polyester thread so good, what sets Bound apart from the rest, and why it's a perfect match for our machines. Bonded thread has a thin coating that helps lock the fibers together. This treatment reduces fraying, makes the thread smoother and slightly stiffer, and improves abrasion resistance. Bonded thread is well suited for industrial walking foot machines because its coating helps the thread feed smoothly through the machine at high speeds and under high friction. Marine canvas, leather, vinyl, and webbing are all high friction materials, and the machine's tension system also adds friction. So you need a reliable bonded thread for clean and consistent stitches. Where Bound really shines is in its outdoor use. Its exceptional UV resistance makes it our recommendation for boat tops, canvas covers, awnings, automotive, and outdoor upholstery. I also like using it for gear and bags that I know will spend a lot of time outdoors. The same coating I mentioned earlier also makes the thread anti-wicking. It fills in the tiny spaces of air between the filaments, greatly reducing capillary action and preventing water from traveling along the thread into the seams where it can mildew. Another key feature is its tensile strength, which is important for obvious reasons if you want strong seams. But its low stretch also means it's easier to tension on your machine, so you can spend more time sewing and less time adjusting settings. So, bonded polyester is a great thread, but what sets Bound apart? It comes down to variety and quantity, and I think that second one is easy to overlook. Most industrial threads are sold in large cones that look like this, and they come with a price tag. Bound sells industrial thread in a consumer size. A 1-ounce cone is more than enough for most projects, which means you don't have to sacrifice or compromise on the right color or weight for your project. Say you get a commission for some red patio cushions, but maybe red isn't a thread you'll use much in the future. So you either bite the bullet and buy the full industrial cone and end up with more thread than you could ever possibly use, or you compromise on color and use the closest thing you have. Bound makes that decision a lot easier by being packaged at the right size for your project at the lowest possible cost. Color and weight variety is another important factor. Bound comes in a wide range of colors, which really helps you match your fabric or choose an attractive contrasting color. You can also choose weights from Tex 30 up to Tex 135, giving you familiarity and consistency across all different kinds of projects. The last question to answer is why it's our preferred choice for Sailrite machines. Bonded polyester fits the type of projects many of our customers make, and it's well suited for industrial walking foot machines, like I mentioned earlier. Many people using our machines are hobbyists and DIYers, and the smaller form factor meets their needs by saving them money on one-off projects and allows them to store it easily in the Sailrite carrying case. And last, but definitely not least, its sewability. More than any other thread I've used, Bound produces consistent, beautiful stitches with our machines. That's why we include a cone with every machine that we ship out. Bound is now available at Sailrite.com, so go explore all the colors and stock up for your next round of projects. It'll be linked in the description below. Check out this video next to see how I made those cushions we showed earlier. Thanks for watching.